Professor P.S. Shukla, Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hills University, Meghalaya, served as the chief guest at a farmers' awareness program and workshop on the safe and judicious use of pesticides and application of new generation formulation for crop protection in vegetable crops, hosted by the Institute of Pesticides Formulation Technology, IPFT Gurugram, under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. The event took place at the Conference Hall, Tura campus. Assistant Professor in the Department of Agri-Business Management Technology at NEHU provided insights into the program's objectives.
Mostly the pesticides which made through bioformulations like through neem and many other medicinal plants. We can prepare so many pesticides